Introducing the 2025 Volvo XC60 T6 with all the features you could ever desire in a vehicle. With only 14,834 kilometers on the clock and a sleek black exterior, this estatejeep is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Powered by a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and featuring automatic transmission, this Volvo delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. This vehicle ensures a secure and enjoyable ride every time. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you're in good hands. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on making this luxurious Volvo yours today.